What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So a little while back, the homie Chris, you guys remember Chris, right? He's got the black TL. He just graduated college. That shit's crazy. They grow up so fast. Dude worked super hard and I want to reward that hard work. So as a gift, I am giving him one of my TL parts, and not just any part. This thing is kind of rare nowadays. I am giving him my a-spec kit. So if you guys didn't know, I do have a spare front Type S a-spec lip, and like I said, these things are rare nowadays. It's been discontinued for years now. You can't just go to the dealership and buy it, and you can't even easily buy it online anymore. Besides asking around on Facebook groups or the forums, I have no idea where to get it anymore, so don't ask, guys. Chris has no idea I'm gonna give him the lip. He just hit me up and he's coming by to do an oil change, and I'm gonna surprise him with it. I don't think we're gonna install it today because it is a hot ass day, but hopefully we at least unbox it for you guys. He just pulled in, so let's go say what's up.
350 miles overdue. So.
350? That's not a lot.
It's a lot to me.
Always Chris with the coffee.
What's up?
Good shit.
Here you go.
Dude, it's like what, 80 degrees and it's
Like
gonna get 90?
7.
Alright, before we start, you want me to show you your gift?
Oh, you def have that, right?
Do you know what it is?
No?
Alright, I'll be right back.
I'm nervous.
You need a lip, dude.
No way.
Told you,
I knew it.
I've been saving it up, man.
That's crazy.
You hyped?
I'm hyped, yeah.
Yeah. Official Acura. Yep.
Damn.
Well, honestly, I haven't opened it up yet, so hopefully there's something in the box.
Oh, of course, it has to.
But yeah. That's the part number, guys, if you're looking for it.
That's crazy.
Most of the box is empty, besides but that U shape from the lip, so I was a little scared. I was like, hopefully something's in there.
The a-spec?
Yeah, the front Type S.
Yeah. Damn.
That's the one that's most sought after.
Yeah,
so.
I kind of don't want to touch it. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it.
That's all good. But please don't resell it. If you're gonna get rid of it,
No, of course.
let me get it back.
It's coming back.
One thing is it comes with the hardware. I think you do have to cut into the bumper, a couple holes into the bumper for like bumper tabs.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are like little templates that come with it.
It looks like
With
it's
like
double-sided tape too or something.
So what is it, Duraflex ones? They don't come with it.
Clips.
The brackets. Yeah, you might want to raise it up just a tad.
Damn,
Just a tad bit.
It's been a while since those bolts have been moved.
Yeah, because you already scraped it. If you went on this side of the driveway instead of that side.
Yo,
yeah, you ain't doing too bad. You're not not scraping up too much. So. Yeah, you're doing pretty good. This little stuff. But that's what we all go through. Little scuffs underneath. Oh, yo.
See this?
Let's go. Yeah, so it hops on like this. It utilizes 2 clips over here, I believe.
Oh my god.
This is the bumper tab I'm talking about.
Oh my god.
Yo,
That is right.
that is literally like fresh out the box.
Let me see it.
That's so shiny, dude.
Car's about to look crazy.
Maybe something with the fogs, but from what my understanding is you just slap it on. I mean, obviously it's not fully installed, but that's the general look. And you shouldn't have any fitment issues, so this is OEM.
That's crazy. Yeah, this is the one. It's painted already too.
Yep.
I need to take a picture.
Yeah, the OEM color. That's all yours, man.
Yo, thank you. This is great. This is amazing. This is like getting fucking AF1s.
You deserve it, man, because you've been working hard in college and shit, so
Yo, thank you.
like you deserve it, man.
Thank you.
But now I'm excited because that wasn't gonna fit in my car without modifications, but I didn't want to do it anyways.
Yeah.
Because I already have a lip kit. Yeah, right here, you have to drill some type of like hole because there's a bumper tab right here.
Oh.
It so that it's not easily getting stolen. It's something to keep it from placement, but also just the fitment. Oh, it also comes with this thing right here. Yeah, like the little rubber gasket thing.
Oh, that's
Sometimes,
that OEM.
Yeah, sometimes you have to install it yourself. But it's those little OEM things. Yeah, those little OEM things. That's gonna look so good, man. Yeah, this is a big ass lip, so if you want to keep it here and we'll like install it one day, we can do that.
Yeah,
so.
of course. We'll do that.
Yeah, we'll find time. Probably not next week because we're going on.
Not next week.
Yeah, so we're going on a road trip. I'm bringing my family. He's bringing, the whole family's gonna be there. So yeah. Because next week is all about prepping for the road trip. So that's what I've been up to the past like couple weeks, just getting this thing up and running. It's running pretty damn good. Alright, back in the box it goes for now, and we'll install it in a later date, and we'll go for a ride after, take some dope ass pics. But yo, the car's already looking good.
Yeah, just the little things, but from 20 feet away, looks amazing.
Chris just said he didn't choose a low life. It shows him. Yeah, low car problems as usual. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see me make race ramps, because I'm fairly handy with woodwork. Like, I got all the tools to make a ramp. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that, because my car can use it too. While he's getting with the oil change, let me explain a few things about the TL that's going on. Yeah, so not much going on for the TL. Yesterday, actually, I did just paint my 3.7 intake manifold. I'll put a picture of it right here. It looks super dope, guys. I was actually really proud of it. I didn't know it was gonna turn out like really good, and super excited to throw it on. But as I said, our schedules it's pretty busy at the moment. Next week we are getting ready for road trip, and then the week after that, just for a week, going on vacation with the fam. As for the power mods, the J pipe, I'm still working on the whole setup. I'm not sure if I should just connect it to the stage 3 exhaust mod or get a new exhaust. I don't want to get a new exhaust because I feel like I don't need it, but I have checked out a few options. We'll see. The summer wheels are looking good. Just washed it yesterday. Tail lights are looking fire. Freaking love these tail lights. But yeah, just doing basic maintenance right now. Trying to hit up any meets whenever I have time, which I haven't yet. Time hasn't freed up, so hopefully we hit up a couple meets during the summer. But in the meantime, just keeping up with those little mods here and there. All right, let's get back to Chris. All right, Chris is all set with the oil change. He's heading out. Well, we shall install the lip. We'll schedule the time. Probably in like 3 weeks, unfortunately, just how it goes. But yeah, so I'm excited for it, guys.
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.